The TOMLOV DM9 Digital Microscope is an excellent tool for both educational and hobbyist applications, offering a wide range of uses from microsoldering to coin inspection. Featuring a 7-inch rotatable screen, this microscope provides an ergonomic viewing experience that significantly reduces eye and neck strain. With an impressive magnification range from 5 times to 1,200 times and equipped with 10 LED lights, it allows for detailed observation of even the tiniest subjects. The ability to connect to a PC enhances the microscope's functionality by allowing for a larger display and easy data management without the need for additional software. Included with the microscope is a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, which is perfect for storing a large number of high-quality images and videos. Built with a solid metal frame, the TOMLOV DM9 ensures durability and stability, making it perfect for precision tasks like micro soldering.